Put a clove of garlic in the toilet before you go to bed, and you will be surprised by the results. In this video, I will give you simple advice, but of utmost importance for you and your family. The bathroom is one of the most important places in the home, considered the heart of the house. For this reason, it is crucial to keep it clean and tidy, since it is where most of the bacteria in the home are generated. Garlic, in addition to being used in the kitchen, was used by ancient Greek, Roman, and Egyptian civilizations to disinfect and wash clothes quickly. In today's video, I will show you 2 ways to use garlic to disinfect and illuminate yellowish toilets. Simply take a clove of garlic, remove the peel, and place it in the toilet bowl before going to bed. Let it act all night, and the next day, after using the bathroom, simply unload the toilet. After using it for several days, you will notice how the garlic will gradually eliminate the dirt and yellow color of this toilet. Before moving on to the second tip, we would love to know which city you are watching us from to be able to send you a greeting in our next video. Today's greeting is for Carmen Rojas from Chile and Susana Miranda from Mexico. Thank you very much for watching our videos. The second way, which is also very effective and offers faster results, consists of making a mixture of garlic and vinegar and then pouring it into the toilet. Preparing this mixture is very simple. Take a glass of water of 200 milliliters and cut a clove of garlic into slices, then place it in the glass of water. Then add 100 milliliters of apple cider vinegar and let it sit for 30 minutes. After that time, simply pour the mixture into the toilet. You will get faster results by eliminating the bacteria. To completely disinfect the toilet, it is important to carry out this process at night before going to bed, when the toilet is less used. In this way, the garlic or the mixture of garlic will have more time to act, and the advice will be more effective. Repeat this process twice a week, and you will have a free bathroom of bacteria. Now tell me which of these 2 cleaning tips you like the most. I appreciate that you bring my advice to someone who can help you. I'm sure they will enjoy it too. If you want to see more videos like this, leave me a comment asking for more advice. That way I'll know if I'm doing a good job. Remember that garlic has disinfectant and antibacterial properties that make it an ideal ally to keep your bathroom clean and free of germs. It is also a natural and economical option compared to commercial chemical products.